Welcome to Dongguan Xinhao Precision Die Casting Co. Ltd. Established in April 2002 with a 10 million AAHDA investment. Our factory spans 4,860 SQM and employs over 98 professionals in business management, technology, and production, specializing in precision aluminum alloy die casting, CNC machining, and mechanical parts processing. We offer one-stop services from mold design to surface treatment. Equipped with advanced machinery G650 ton die casting machines, CNC centers, and precision measuring tools, we innovated in 2013 to enable direct anodizing of die cast parts, a breakthrough that reduced costs by 30% and cut delivery time by 50%. Our expertise spans tooling design, product manufacturing, and high-precision processing, ensuring efficient solutions for diverse industrial needs.